Here's the bed in the upright position without the mattress in it. And you can see I still got a little bit of light up there. I think I've got my window in just a little bit crooked, but that's the way cargo trailers are. They're not square, they're not plumb. So this is just a temporary support down here. Now on here, my work table will come out 26 inches. Fold that up, pull the leg down, pull the bed down, and that leg will support the bed out here. So there's three components to this: the bed, the work table, and the bed leg, support leg. I've still got to build. I'll show it to you here in a second down. Getting the bottom of the bed frame sanded down. This is number 2 ply, so it's got knots in it, and filling some of those with Bondo just to make it look a little nicer, because you're not going to see a whole lot of it, because my table is going to be here, right across here, which will fold down so I can work on it. And then I'll have, on top of this, I'll have a leg that'll flop down and sit on the floor down here. Step by step. Keep checking back. First coat of oil base, medium gray, and of course the top of that will be, the cabinet storage will be gray also. And then my trim up around will be black, and the face right here will be black. These corners will be natural. So once I get this done, my work table done, and then the leg on the bottom of the work table, then this section will be pretty much done. I've already ordered my bed. It's on its way in. And as you can see here, we've got some neutral color for the edges of the table and the edges of the leg. So little by little, it's getting there. I'm going to have about 4 days to work on it steady coming up starting Wednesday. So hopefully the rain will hold off and I can continue on with it. All right, keep watching. Lots more to hear. Getting ready to start my work table and my full color printer table. I'll cut this in half and then cut it down to length, and that'll make my 2 tables. I'll be adding 3/4 inch trim all the way around and some across for legs and lots of different things. So keep an eye out, keep watching. And this is the good stuff. This is I think it was $71 for a sheet. It's killing me. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Getting ready to make my first cut down the center. As you can see, I've got a straight edge clamped on the other end, and I've got a support in there because these things are never straight. So you have to get it down here and get it straight. So here we go. Here are my two tabletops. The one on the left is for the color printer. The color printer will roll out onto it. When I'm finished, roll back into the cabinet and the door will close. This goes on the back side of the Murphy bed. That's my work table. It'll fold up against the Murphy bed when not in use and fold back down when I need it. So those are built. I'm still going to put support structures in it and the legs on here and support structure and legs on there. I've just got the outside banding on, and that's about it. So you can see it's an 1.5 inch banding. I'm going to get some dark wood, make some plugs for this, and put it in there and sand it off so there'll be dark plugs where all the screws go. Got some nice grain in it, which I like. It'll be clear coated. That'll be clear coated also. So making progress, slow but sure. Keep watching. Getting ready to inset the hinges. So I've made a little template right here. I get my shadow out of the way. A little template right here for my router. And I've already set the depth, and then I'll clean it up with a chisel. So I've marked all my center locations. Got 4 on this one. I just did the other table, which had 3. I'll show you how it goes as I go.